Hello everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you all how to make this delicious and inexpensive meal. It is chicken thighs with a creamy mushroom sauce. So let's get right to it. So I have about 5 to 6 chicken thighs that I'm going to put a little olive oil on and then season. Okay, so once you have your chicken thighs seasoned, go ahead and place a little bit of plastic wrap over your bowl and place it in your fridge for at least 30 minutes to an hour. I have a little bit of Crisco in my pan here and I'm going to place my chicken thighs skin side down. Once you get your chicken thighs in the pan evenly, make sure that all of the skin is touching the hot oil. Let it cook on that side for about 10 to 15 minutes, and when you flip it over, your skin should be nice and crispy. Place a lid on your pan, and while you're waiting, slice up your fresh mushrooms. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes that the chicken has been cooking on the bone side. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the pan. Now the chicken is still raw in the middle, but I'm going to remove it at this point, and I'm going to deglaze my pan with the chicken broth, which is optional. You can use water. And I'm just going to toss my mushrooms in there, let them cook for about 5 minutes, and then remove the mushrooms from the chicken broth. Here I'm adding in 1 carton of heavy whipping cream, and the heavy whipping cream is going to give it that really creamy consistency that you're looking for in your sauce. And at this time I'm adding back in my chicken thighs and the mushrooms. Cook it on simmer for about 20 minutes and your meat will be so tender. By that time that 20 minutes is over, your meat's gonna be tender. That flavor from the mushrooms, the chicken broth that we use to deglaze the pan with, all of it's just gonna be working together and it is gonna be so good. So I went ahead and plated my chicken thighs and mushrooms, and I had a little bit of green beans on the side, and I ended up putting some rice on my plate. You don't see it here, but rice is a good option as well to have, and pour a little bit of sauce on your rice too. It was a really good dinner. I really hope you all try this recipe. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if I haven't already mentioned it yet in the video, always check the description box for the list of ingredients. Thank you again to my loyal subscribers for watching, and to my new viewers, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye-bye.